What if I told you that there are questions so dangerous, answering them could unravel your very sense of reality? Deep in the realms of science and philosophy, there are questions that aren't just unanswered, they're potentially unanswerable. Questions that, if we ever did find the answers to, could shatter our understanding of existence itself. Here are 5 of the most dangerous. First, what happened before the Big Bang? The Big Bang theory is our best explanation for the origin of the universe, but it leaves a gaping hole. What was there before? Some physicists suggest a multiverse, others a cyclical universe, but the truth is we don't know. And if we ever did, it could rewrite the laws of physics as we know them. Second, why is there something rather than nothing? This is a question that has baffled philosophers for centuries. Why does the universe exist at all? Some argue it's a fundamental property of quantum mechanics. Others suggest it's a question that can't be answered, only accepted. But if we ever did find an answer, it could change everything we think we know about existence. Third, are we living in a simulation? This isn't just a sci-fi trope, it's a genuine scientific hypothesis. Some physicists argue that the universe might be a computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. If we ever proved this to be true, it would call into question the very nature of our reality. Fourth, what is consciousness? We know that we're conscious, but we don't know what consciousness is or how it arises from the brain. Some scientists suggest it's an emergent property of complex systems. Others argue it's a fundamental aspect of the universe. If we ever cracked this mystery, it could revolutionize our understanding of the mind and the universe. Finally, is there a limit to human knowledge? We've made incredible strides in science and technology, but are there things we'll never know? Some philosophers argue that there are fundamental limits to what we can understand about the universe. If we ever discovered what those limits are, it could change the course of human history. Which of these questions haunts you the most? Let us know in the comments.